You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab.
Headline 1. The Biden administration issued a statement on Friday expressing concern that Israel's utilization of weapons provided by the United States may have breached international humanitarian law in the recent military campaign in Gaza. This marks the most forceful rebuke of Israel by the administration thus far. Headline 2. The Assembly voted by 143 to 9, with 25 abstentions, for a resolution called on the UN Security Council to bestow full membership to the State of Palestine, while enhancing its current mission with a range of new rights and privileges, in addition to what it is allowed in its current observer status. Headline 3. Israel's potential violation of international law with weaponry supplied by the United States has drawn criticism from the Biden administration. In a striking display at the UN General Assembly, Israel's ambassador to the UN made a symbolic gesture by shredding the UN Charter on stage using a paper shredder, further intensifying the controversy. Headline 4. Ukrainian officials have confirmed that Russia has carried out an attack in Kharkiv, Ukraine, in an area not previously targeted. President Volodymyr Zelensky has emphasized that his armed forces were prepared for the assault. A local governor has announced that 2 civilians were killed in the attack. Headline 5. Tesla's commitment to expanding its charging infrastructure is evident with a planned investment exceeding $500 million. The company will be deploying thousands of new chargers in various locations, including new sites and expansions of existing ones. Headline 6. At least 60 people have been reported dead in Baghlan province in northern Afghanistan due to flash floods caused by seasonal rains, officials confirmed on Friday.